great white alligators.
You mean albino?
I didn't know what I said. What's up, guys? Irvine Garage here. Welcome back to episode 2 of Wheelin and Dealin. Today we're going to be picking up, what are we picking up? KTM.
KTM 640.
What's the guy want? 30 something?
350.
3350?
Yeah.
What are you trying to get for?
3,000.
3,000. Okay. So we're gonna go look at this bike. It's a, what is it, 650?
640.
640. All right, so this is a pretty big bike. KTM, pretty well-known brand. So we're heading out towards Ocala, I believe. And we're gonna see if we can get this deal put together.
Hello? Yep. Hey, how's it going? We're about 10 to 15 minutes away. Yeah, so we'll be at Gaines Nursery, and then I'll just follow the directions you sent through text.
Guys, beef is what's for dinner.
Can I take down a dirt bike track every now and again?
This guy's an idiot.
What do you do?
So that's supposed to get the other guy. Sorry, I meant to send that to my uncle. He's standing by to see you. Gave painstakingly easy nav. Alright. Guess we're down to 2,800. Red. Does that have Florida Seminoles on it?
There's a code.
Well, it should be 1, 2, 3, 4. Black Sierra 2500 HD.
Yeah, sure, that looks like it's it.
You said you should be able to see the garage door open with a bunch of bikes in it. Let's just try it.
Or doesn't press in. Maybe that ain't it.
This ain't it, Chief?
Yeah, that's it. Yep.
Trying to negotiate with this ass work. 3,100, no good shot.
He already looks like a hard ass. How about you give me the $3 grand, I'll take the pack and I'll kill you. This looks like a creepy dude. Look at him.
Oh,
Is he clicking the gate?
He's opening the gate. Okay, that's not a red aluminum gate, and
Where's the, there's the code? There's no code, it's a camera.
that's a camera.
This is a big bike.
Let's get creepy. It's a big bike.
That's a big bike.
He's got all kinds of stuff.
You're coming in on the back road, huh?
Yes.
Yeah.
A lot of new sand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So can we fire it up?
Yeah, you can do whatever you want. I don't know how to work it. I don't know nothing about motorcycles.
That's a cool bike. That's a sweet Honda. What do we got here? Jersey.
On that side.
Oh, sure. Holy hell.
That's a tall bike.
It's a dull bike, more what this is. Alright, where,
Front middle.
You can call them and ask them if you want.
Yeah, that's probably it.
Is the lights always on?
Kinds of forks. Yeah, look at the forks, alright.
definitely can check on.
Checks on the grip.
That's the check. No. I think.
Oh, yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, just look. you know where he's going?
It's 5 acres. He can go anywhere he wants.
Okay. Gonna pop up on someone else's land and get shot. He's having a blast. You got power? Do you have a stand for the back?
Some peanuts?
That's a work stand, right?
This here?
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
I think it's
like
peanuts.
This thing probably flies.
Yeah. Type 1 GT 647. Look at the, see the filter? Identical. Yeah, it's a Cannon. That's a race bike. Oh.
Look at the tires.
Oh, never mind. I thought she was a little.
Slicks.
You got slicks.
Good job.
Yeah, it's from burning tires.
Oh, yeah.
That's insane.
That's a cool bike. So about an hour and $3,100 later, we have secured the KTM. It's 650. The bike's nice. You saw it running and driving. It was a pretty cool bike. But we're gonna get that loaded up and get it back to the house. I'm half walking right now, so if there's gonna be any limping in the video, because yesterday on the M250, like most people know, on kickstart bike, if you don't compress it properly, it kicks back.
Oh shit. See that? You feel that? Yeah, fuck me. Here, I'm gonna
Bent my foot way out of place and I got all messed up yesterday, so I'm limping through these deals, but wanted to make sure that I got episode 2 filmed and put up. So I'm gonna get the bike, take it back to the house. I'm gonna be updating you guys. We took apart the M250, like the carb and everything, just to make it run a little smoother, because it was running really rich, like gas just spilling out of it, and I was wasting all the fuel. So we redid that and it's doing really well. As for the Beamer, I still got some research to do with the title. I want to make sure the VIN and everything, like it proves out to be a clear title, because I'm not going to deal with a salvage bike. And if not, I'm just going to sell the motor for parts. Can't really take too much of a loss on that, but getting the bike loaded up right now. And we're going to head back to the garage. I'll see you guys in a little bit.
drop it on the skid.
What do you want me to do here, man?
Let it down slowly.
Drop the back wheel.
Right.
Okay, yeah.
Perfect.
Just got her back,
Yeah.
slip her off.
Oh yeah. Hell yeah.
Boom.
You got it? Boom. Yeah, thanks guys.
It's like 10 iPhones.
There's all kinds of shit in here. Is there?
What do you got?
GoPro mounts.
Blunt wraps. Chai tea.
Toothpicks.
What's this guy smoking?
Earplugs. What's this guy smoking? A fork.
A couple of rolled,
It's like a Davy
pre-rolled
brother.
cigarettes. We got a deck in there. Okay, so we are back. We got 3 bikes secured. Short update, because we're about to go look at this S2000, and haven't gotten the bike to run. Went ahead, took apart all the fairings, everything, just the body, to see what we're actually looking at. So obviously had assembly, the dash and all the gauges and everything seem to be working, but for some reason now I can't get it started back up. Here's a little extent of the damage. Fork snaps right off. So the story behind this is that the guy, let's see the send off real quick. As I said, the neighbors don't hate us already. I do now. All right, so back to short update of the BMW bike. I got it torn apart right now. I got all the fairings in the garage and everything. I didn't take this apart yet, at least for the dash assembly, so still can't get it started even with power. I don't know if it's actually just the starter relay, if it's something really simple. I have no idea, because when the guy started right up. You guys saw that, and at least for the extent of the damage, so broken trail arm, or trailing arm that holds the forks in. The forks snapped right here, and these are obviously supposed to go all the way down, but I really want to get the bike running before I order any parts for it. I'll show you guys how bad this hit is. We didn't get crazy footage of it when we were actually there, but so story behind this, the guy hit the back of a minivan. It's nice because the rotor's not gonna be able to save, but the calipers and everything I think I can save. And so the guy hit the back of a minivan and flew through the back glass apparently broke a bunch of ribs, broke a bunch of bones. So obviously that entices me to buy a motorcycle. So I got the bike taken apart. We're gonna see if we can get started. If it's something simple like a relay, or maybe it's just a bad battery, bad starter, or something to work, because it's not even turning over right now. So if I can get that started, I've kind of priced out everything. Obviously the new body would be the most expensive part, but we're looking at 2 forks, trailing arm assembly, which pops off right there. It's kind of a big component. I thought it was part of the frame. Possibly new headers, because those have to be opened up. It can't be left like that. And other than that, besides a wheel and a tire and making sure we got brakes, the bike is together at least. So see what we can do for that. If something goes bad and the title's not bad, I'm not too worried about it. Like, I got it super cheap, so I'll probably just part it out. I already got another bike I'm looking at, and we'll see what we can do. So let's go look at this S2000. Okay, so we are back. I didn't get anything on film. My GoPro battery died and it just didn't work out. I just took some pictures with my phone, which I'll probably put on the screen. Car was rough. It needs a lot of work. It basically needs every panel except for the hood, maybe the driver's door and the trunk. The top was pretty solid, one little tear, but the bodywork, obviously it's a rebuild title. I knew that going into it. But the guy wants $8,400 for it, and that's not going to work. So I might offer him something really low, to where it's like, all right, it's an S2000. If I can get it for, under $5,000, maybe make it like a Hoovie's Garage type deal, where it's like the cheapest S2K in the United States, something like that. But I'm going to look into that. But we're going to wrap this up. I'm going to put a lot more videos of obviously the brand new KTM. We got the Honda, and then the BMW. So I just checked out the title on the BMW, and it turns out that it is not salvage, so it's not like a total lost vehicle or anything like that, but it does have an accident reported. It just says rear-end collision, which I think means that the guy, like, obviously the police came because there was another car involved, so they probably did a police report, which made it to Carfax. But either the guy didn't have very good insurance, or he didn't report it and just kind of kept the bike. So an accident was reported, but it wasn't reported as totaled, which with the damage that obviously I showed you guys on the bike, it should be totaled. That bike's, it's seen its better days. So I'm still thinking about the bike. If I can get it started, I'll rebuild it. If not, I'm just going to part it out, because I really don't want to deal with it. And I might even part it out even if I can't. Even if I do get it running, but we'll see if it motor runs strong and it idles everything, and seems like it wants to move. Maybe if I can prop that back wheel up, see if it'll actually go into gear and shift around and stuff. But I'm gonna keep you updated on that. The next episode we're probably gonna be going through. We're gonna fix some stuff on the 250. KTM's perfect. That thing's been maintained 15,000 miles, or it might be a little less. But that bike's perfect. Like there's no problems with that. So we'll just put up some footage of that, and then obviously we're gonna go through, and I'm gonna continue to work on the BMW, and maybe we'll have an S2K shortly. So I'll keep you guys updated on that, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Thanks for watching.